Oh no, I'm so late to the class.
You're so stupid.
Oh no, girl, why you doing this? My books, look at this. Why you doing this? Oh girl, please, no. I'm late to the class.
Yes, I'm going to exercise. Please up your arms. Okay, and now jump, please. Come on. Listen now. Please stop. Alejandra, you are doing very bad your exercise.
Hi teacher, but I just do it.
No.
I tried. I can't do it.
No, I don't
Oh
like
please,
you.
teacher, I can't
I
do
don't
it.
like you.
I can't do it. I can't do
You're
it.
so
It's like-
loser, girl. I want to kick your ass.
Oh, why you doing
Oh,
this?
okay, girl.
Why are you
Please,
here?
no, that's
No,
from
girl,
your brain.
girl, no more.
No, that's it, no.
I saw you in gymnastics class, and I think you're a stupid girl. I just want to kick your face. Ha ha ha. Your life is not valuable. It's better that I kill you than I see you all the days. Oh no, it's so bad. No. Why is she doing this? I don't like it. Yes, the girls that say me that it's true. My life is not valuable. But no, I think that is not good. My life is valuable. I got idea. I create a new button to make the others happy. Yes, it's a good idea. I'm not going to do this. Mom, give me some water.
Okay, honey, please wait a minute.
Okay.
Here's the water, lady. I love you.
Hi, thanks, Mom. Oh, I got it. Yes, I got the button. I'm going to make the other happy. Yes. Okay, here are the buttons. I'm going to put it with to me and the girl. Girl?
You again. You're a loser, you know that?
Ah, come on, girl. We can be friends.
No, we can't.
Yes, we can. Oh, yes.
Oh, sorry for all the things that I did to you.
No, it's
Your life is so valuable to me.
your life too. Guys, today we're best friends.
We just do this to tell you that stop cyberbullying.
8 of 10 kids suffer cyberbullying.
And they kill their lives.
Please, push this button. Turn off your bad attitude.
I think that to say bad things to other people makes me feel much better, but it's not true. You have to be friendly with the other people.
Think about it, guys. People like me think that their life is not valuable and they kill. You can't save another life.
Push the
this
button.